update on LOOM. Got y'all right here on the daily, so I can see the pattern. We coming out the retracement basically right here. As y'all can see on the daily, our next overall goal is right here at 18 cents. I'm pretty sure we're gonna spike up around 20 cents or so, right? But this is the daily chart. So let's hit this 4 hourly. In the 4 hourly, there's a possible pattern setup that's happening right now. So in the event that this continues to play out, right? I already got the dub right here, the retracement. We should get a nice jump up there here. We y'all see. Basically, it's a resistance line right here. We should spike above it, come back down, retrace, and then, break completely out of it to go to the next zone, which will be around 14 cents. And after 14 cents, we would expect for it to hop back up there around the 20 cents, then back down to the 18 cents. And after that, we should see a peak formation, which should basically be, they can spike it up as high as they want to, but let me go back to the daily so I can give you a better look at it. So it'll be over here on this side. We'll get a spike all the way up here, right? That you see right here around the 18 to 20 cent mark. And you see this right here. It's going to use one of these levels of resistance as support. It's going to either be 18 cent all the way up to 20 cent. So we could get a spike up here, actually, and that is right here around 25 cents. At some point in time, this is a daily chart now. But once we get this spike, we should get a leveling off around 18 to 20 cents. But most likely it'll come back down here around 18 cents. And then it'll continue its move up steadily without the spiky behavior, because we see this thing consolidating and really been doing anything too much lately. So it's going to make a nice move out here. And that pattern on the 4 hourly may be a move to start it on its way out. But that's how I expect it to play out if this pattern plays. I'm expecting to hit these levels, then the retracements as I mentioned before. And at the end of the pattern, basically, we should come back down, use this as support and have a steady way up. This is an all-time high, so you can see the larger chart. And you see the pattern right here. So basically, we should, at some point, get up here. I'll say around 35 cents. Come back down here. This is like the overall. This is the weekly now. Because I don't believe it's going to blow past its all-time high. We might max out in the bull run around here and end up on top of the all-time high. But as of now, we can just, like I said, we can just wait for these points right here to play out first, the 18 cent, and then we look for the 25 cent, 28 cent range, and then we'll look for here. This how this larger pattern will play out. It'll come up here and retrace, boom, retrace up here, boom. It may be, a peak formation, but like I said, we're gonna just worry about now. We worry about this 18 cent range on the 4 hourly and hope that pattern plays out. But yeah. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.